that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. You're gonna more pressure, 4.5 kilo to our body.
Oh,
Yeah. So I told people the head is like a boarding board. The head is forward, that much more pressure over here.
Yes.
Yeah. So. And also, it could affect our respiratory systems because our head is forward there, just like the forward there, and all the shoulders are around it's compressed lung, compressed lung. So it actually affects the lung capacity. The reason, the other reasons, the phrenic nerve is innervate our diaphragm. Diaphragm is over here. Diaphragm, while we are breathe in, diaphragm goes down, and then while you breathe out, diaphragm goes up. It's very important role for the breathing. But phrenic nerve is originated from the cervical, our neck nerve, from 3 to 5. So our head is full, it absolutely affect our phrenic nerve. So it interrupts the diaphragmatic, functional movements. So it means they interrupt our breathing. Okay? So this is why head is full that, is, affected. Your lung capacity is absolutely affected.